Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on digital products with Envato detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on digital products with Envato, start by visiting the Envato website. Create an account if you don't already have one, as this will give you access to exclusive offers. Explore the various marketplaces such as ThemeForest, CodeCanyon, and Graphic River to find the products you need. Look for seasonal sales and promotions, which often offer significant discounts on popular items. Sign up for the Envato newsletter to receive updates on special promotions and new product releases. Consider joining Envato Elements if you frequently need digital assets, as it provides unlimited downloads for a monthly fee. Compare the prices of individual items with the subscription cost of Envato Elements to determine the best value for your needs. Check for coupon codes or promotional codes online before making a purchase to maximize your savings. Read user reviews and ratings to ensure you're investing in quality products. Follow Envato creators on social media for additional promotions and updates. Monitor the website for flash sales or limited time offers that can provide additional discounts. Use the filters on the marketplace to sort products by price, allowing you to find. If you're a student or startup, look for any available discounts or special programs that may apply. Consider purchasing older versions of products if the latest version isn't essential for your needs, as these often come at a lower price. Once you find the product you want, proceed to checkout and remember to enter any promotional code you have. Review your cart to ensure you're getting the best deal before finalizing your purchase. By following these steps, you can effectively save on digital products through Envato. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.